8th on the kill, tied for 10th at home, and Peter Mrazek is out to play it. A steal by Carolina's Pat Dwyer, fought off by the Detroit goaltender. The Wings didn't do much with that early power play situation, but penalty killing wise in the third, outstanding. DeKeyser. Pavel Datsyuk now hinges deep with a shot negated by Sekera. Rebound. Ward says no on Stephen Weiss. Weiss gets to it ahead of Justin Falk in support. Pavel Datsyuk. Back it goes. Give and go here with DeKeyser. DeKeyser with a shot caught by Cam Ward. Turning, Johan Franzen. Walking the line, Kronwall. This way it's Henrik Zetterberg. Kronwall, Zetterberg again. He'll walk, shoot one, swallowed by Ward. Should the Canes 50 left to go in period 1. Drop pass by Kronwall. Here's Nyquist over the line. This way Zetterberg, Kronwall with a shot. No rebound. Cam Ward hangs on. Datsyuk, a deflected pass. DeKeyser. Pavel Datsyuk off a stick. DeKeyser hammers one. Ward says no, and again he hangs on. He's been power advantage. Their captain. 36th in history. Henrik Zetterberg over the line. Negated on the way through by Hainsey. Helm turns it back. Kronwall holding, shooting one. Stopped by Ward. A big rebound though. Helm is on it. Darren Helm. Here's John Michael Liles. Just about 7 minutes gone in this first period. Spring pass over the line. Semin. Drop pass. Liles. Turned out Mrazek. And he gave up a juicy rebound. Daniel Cleary. That time by Ron Hainsey. Shahan stays with it to the outside. Riley Shahan tries to make it happen. Short side bid shut down by Ward. Stephen Weiss in control. All the way back out. Kronwall blocked in front. Shahan working hard, but
Bill Peters expected it to be.
Oh, he predicted this. Now Nyquist moved along for Weiss. Out in front, wiped wide by Thomas Jurko. Carried out here by John Michael Liles. Is there. He'll move on Cleary. Justin Falk off a body. Off to Kaiser. Out of the corner. He stays with it. Justin Falk diagonally across Sekera. Skinner off the paddle of Mrazek. Down the wall. Liles a tip wide. It was Eric Stahl. Skinner between the wickets of the captain and all the way back up top. Liles with it. Eric Stahl. This way for Skinner. He'll hammer one. Caught by Mrazek. Advances around the clock. Good stop Mrazek that time again on Liles. Liles this way for Skinner. Skinner out in front. Good sticks by Detroit. Erickson and Smith.
Friends that have spent a lot of their lives together, Bill Peters and Mike Babcock.
I asked him in Hurricanes Live. Radio silence. Skinner kicked out by Mrazek. Well, he leashes out with those pads. Brendan Smith out to center ice trip.
He just batted that out of midair to receive that puck, Pavel Datsyuk.
Helm, Datsyuk with a shot, short side held by Ward. Darren Helm, Jonathan Ericsson up on the rush. Here's Pavel Datsyuk again. He'll dangle, he'll score! Pavel Datsyuk deadly there, right along the ice. 1-0 Detroit.
His shooting percentage is 26%, Pavel Datsyuk. He's not shooting anymore. You see the activity from Erickson, the defenseman. I think Detroit has their defensemen both on the rush and also in zone, joined as seamlessly as any team in the league. And here Cam Ward is not in the type of position that he wants to be.
Twist. No friends to pass to. Detroit is changing, but look at this. They walk in at Shahan. Wide. Off the goalpost, Johan Franzen. 1 second left in the period. Quincy now from the red line will feed it hard around. Falk misplays it. They score. It pinballs in. The opportunity arises for Pavel Datsyuk.
Hard rim by Quincy. That's maybe an advantage of being a left shot there. Falk just can't handle it. You know, these are freebie type goals that you cannot give up to a team the caliber of the Detroit Red Wings, and both
10 shots, 2 goals for Detroit. 9 shots, and they've yet to find the net Hurricanes have against young Peter Mrazek. Over the line, low backhander. Off the blocker again. Patted down again by Mrazek, and that'll do it. Has one of 2 goals tonight. Darren Helm with a shot kicked out by Cam Ward. Semin got a piece of the rebound. Here's Eric Staal. A long pass detected by Quincy. Pressed a bit here. Skinner's shot denied by Peter Mrazek.
From where the line started, Skinner with Staal and Semin.
Lindholm has Rask out in front. He'll delay. Through the blue and out. Did everything but score in that scenario.
Able to nullify another Sweden Rask.
Riley Nash, Andre Nestrashil, and Yuri Tlusty for Bill Peters. Through center. Johan Franzen lets it fly. Fought off by Ward. Cleaned up by Riley Nash.
Good things.
Off the draw now. Skinner turns off a body off Luke Glendening. Drew Miller turned over to Skinner. His shot turned out by Mrazek. Getting to it now, Eric Stalksuk turned it over to Nathan Gerbe. Head out they come. Justin Falk on the attack. A partial 3-on-2. He goes wide. Fumbled but covered by Peter Mrazek. Kronwall will drop it back. Zetterberg in the zone. To the outside for Franzen. Little toe drag. Out in front. Fanned on by Yurko. Gus Nyquist heading to it. Tatar. DeKeyser. He'll look it over. Thomas Tatar holding. Shooting one. Off the pipe. It stays out. Back to the point. DeKeyser. Smith on Gerbe. Nathan Gerbe for Victor Rask. Awaiting the puck is Elias Lindholm. Laying it back for Justin Falk. Here he comes. His shot fought off by Mrazek. Out of the corner, Thomas Tatar for Detroit. Johan Franzen again for Pavel Datsyuk. Out in front, they score! What a play, finished off by Thomas Tatar. Set up beautifully by Pavel Datsyuk. 3-0 Detroit.
Favorable matchup as maybe the hottest line in hockey right now out against Carolina's 4th line. It was a partial change because you see Franzen making a play, then he's getting off, and then 2 guys that play on this red-hot line, Datsyuk and Tatar. And it's just 2 battles won. Datsyuk was stronger and hungrier for the puck.
Montreal, Sekera holding onto it. Through a screen out in front. Skinner turned out by Mrazek, a dandy on Jeff Skinner.
His pads have been so quick.
For Andre Sekera. Sekera now turns away from Pavel Datsyuk. Skinner, Tlusty this way. Lyles off the pad of Mrazek. 3 to the wall. Now it's carried in. All but 3. Shouldered down by Mrazek. He doesn't see it. Tolusty's got it. Rask at the point, walking the line. Yuri Tlusty. Shot taken, swallowed by Peter Mrazek. Back it goes now for Tim Gleason. They score! It redirects on the way through. It could be Tim Gleason. With 2:49 left to go in the second period, Carolina finally breaks through.
Team this year, McClement actually wins it on the forehand, and maybe he gets a piece of it. He's a veteran player, so he doesn't show you much of a reaction, but I think that's Jay McClement's goal. Can't tell. It looks to me like it changes direction off of his stick, so he wins the draw.
And out they come. All the way across for Andre Sekera. He'll creep in the Detroit zone. Lay it back for Rask. His shot turned out. Good blocker save by Peter Mrazek. Out of that pile up all the way back. Jordan at the point. Moves it along. Nestrashil now across. Hainsey in the slot. Skinner denied. Mrazek once again. It pinballs astray. Andre Sekera tied up by Thomas Tatar. He stays with it. Sekera moves all the way back. Looks around. Has a lane. Here it comes. Denied by Mrazek. Out of the corner, Lindholm. Victor Rask. He'll settle it down. Here's Falk. Rask again. One-timer. Lindholm answered by Mrazek. They have it again. Rask with a shot blocked by Cleary. That's Yurko. Pavel Datsyuk again inside. Sliding for Gus Nyquist. An odd bounce. It's loose. Nyquist out in front. Ward says no a couple of times on Gus Nyquist.
Nyquist, one of a variety of just great young players.
Staal leaves it. Now a chance. Skinner stopped by Mrazek. Forked wide. The rebound, Karam. Staal out in front along with Dwyer. Here's it out to center ice. 9:40 left. Regulation time. John Forson, Trick Tracy between the benches. Victor Rask off the stick of Peter Mrazek and out of play for the New Jersey telecast. Lyles broken up. Riley Sheahan is off to the races. Lyles gets back. Ward covers up. Everything's legal.
Holtby has played 2 good games in a row. He certainly played solid here on Thursday.
He did. Zetterberg gloving it down, carrying in, holding onto it, out in front, stopped by Ward. It trickles wide with Nyquist right out in front. Zetterberg floats it out. 4 seconds on the clock. Hainsey out to center. That'll do it. Peter Mrazek outstanding, his 3rd win this season. The Detroit Red Wings come to Raleigh. They defeat the Hurricanes 3-1.